Hey guys, it's me again. Uh, Back on the Harley. Last year, did the video on the P2138 code, throttle response, poor, the thing, check engine light, all that good stuff. Thought I had the problem solved. If you watch the first video on it, I'll show you real quick. I thought the problem was in this plug for the throttle. This comes down for the drive-by wire. This is the harness here. And I eliminated this plug, and the bike was great for the rest of the summer. Every once in a while it act up, and I thought it was just a battery because it seemed to only act up when I started the bike. So this year it's been terrible. It's been just doing it left and right, and the battery's worse. So today I bought a new battery, put it in there, starts better. Problem still not solved. So last week I took it out and had the my buddy Pete replace the pins in this plug for the throttle body. This is no an issue on the early 8s, 9s, and 10s or whatever. I don't know the exact years, but this is a 10 streak light. And he was pretty confident that that was a problem because they were still the original pins. There was an update, so that's one thing. But problem still there. So talked to Pete today, and he said to pull it apart and jiggle the wires. And I tell you, it was an instant problem. So basically, not idling, but I had my daughter holding the throttle just, an eighth of a turn, just enough to get it up off idle. And you could wiggle that harness and it would just cut out, blah, blah, blah. But I couldn't find it. I redid all my terminals up here again. This time I soldered them all, double heat shrink, perfect. Still did it. So let me tell you what the problem is, because I found it and it is solved. Right here. When this wire goes up, comes right out of the harness right here, the black and the white wires, black with a white tracer. One's black and white, one's black and gray, I suppose. I don't know what it is about that wire, but they're junk. So there's no visible problem with the wire. It looks fine, but if you run your finger down it, you could feel it got skinnier. So what I did is I did the old test that I do when I'm doing builders. If you think there's an issue with the wire, grab each side of it and just give a little tug. And sure enough, right there where it felt weird, it stretched. So I cut it open, and there was like maybe one, maybe two strands of wire left connected. The rest of them are all broke. So cut that out, twisted them together real good, soldered them, double heat shrink, start the bike up. You can wiggle that thing till the sun comes up. It not an issue at all. Right now, bike's running great. So that is my update on this. I know I've been going back and forth with multiple people on Messenger and YouTube about this issue with their bikes. Again, this is a 10 streak light, so that is that's where the problem is. And go find it. Anyways, just a quick update. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.